The important thing about a mask is it stops the spread of germs from one person to the other. My dad is a medical provider. He wanted something for his nurses, and so there's a couple designs online that we kind of tinkered with and messed around with. And we sent it to a couple of people, and the feedback we got was absolutely amazing. We sent out our first batch to a local cardiology office. This is like the finished mask. So it has rubber bands on either side to strap it to your head. And inside has a small piece that holds the frame in place. And you can take the bang clip and push through the front, and that pops out your frame. Each mask has 3, and so you can change them out periodically while you clean. Came to NC State, ended up in the TE department where my 3D printing, modeling, and printing knowledge kind of took off. Just being able to think as the designer and say, okay, this is how it's designed, and then also having the experience of working on the machines that I have within the makerspace in Poe and the labs in the basement. You kind of figure out the best way to design a product for the machine you're using. The goal, trying to get them as many masks as you can to the people who need it the most.